Equatio contains many useful buttons directly above the Math Editor box. Not only can you make math in the editor, you can make text as well. Click on the Insert Text button to give students directions or to write out your word problems. If you want to provide a little color to your math, highlight items you want to change from the default color of black and select the Text Color button to pick from 15 colors. The Favorites button allows a user to favorite anything from formulas, symbols, number sequences, and more. Click the button and give your favorite a custom name of your choosing. The trash can gives users a clear math editor when they are ready to clear all items in the editor. The More button expands to give users a wealth of other commonly used items in STEM class. The General button expands to give users the ability to access word processing toolbar buttons. The Symbols button contains all those frequently used symbols which are needed to be successful. The Layouts house all bracket formations, matrices, and vertical operations that students need. The Formulas drawer gives users access to all formulas found in the product. Search here by scrolling or by using the search box to locate the formula you need. Finally, the last button is the collection of all the things you have favorited in our product. These buttons should help you familiarize yourself with our STEM tool.